DPO Samacharam. DPO is a district police office. So, as I earlier mentioned, sir, second biggest district in Andhra Pradesh. So, having close to, I am handling my establishment is close to 5,000 police personnel, sir, which includes home guards, district armed reserve force, as well as civil men, sir. In order for the men grievances, our own policemen grievances, I should listen and I should redress their grievances. I should look after their welfare measures. In order to benefit our own police men who are working under me, we developed this application, sir. It's called DPO Samacharam, District Police Office Samacharam, sir. The initiative to real-time SMS updates on the progress of their application and files movement to the police personnel, sir. Like our own police personnel, they will come to district police office to get their leave sanctioned or to get their increments added or to get their medical bill sanctioned or any welfare measures it is concerned to them or to their family members. They will be physically coming to district police office to air their grievances, and they will be continuously keep on calling the senior officers to what happened to my file. I am submitted my medical bill, whether it is cleared or not. I submitted my earned leave application, whether it has been processed or not. Like this, many issues which are concerned to our own police personnel, they will be keep on asking the other men who are working in the district police office. So in order to make it is very transparent and every updated information should reach the police in real time, we developed this DPO Samacharam, sir. So again, it's a first of kind in Kurnool police who developed. It's in-house. We have our own programmer here as an outsourcing person. 4,000 policemen are benefited out of this. The present day challenges is as soon as one police officer come to district police office and gives his application regarding his promotion or transfer or something, we are lacking a transparency in handling his grievances. And again, he has to come physically to submit his application in the form of paper and use paperwork rush at DPO, district police office, to submit his grievances. To visit the district police office, he has to travel 3 to 4 hours from far off places to the district headquarters to hear his grievances. So in a little, this is the excellence of this application is that, sir, in a little while of 3 to 4 months, during COVID time, we started this application. Till date, we sent 2.5 lakh SMS updates to our own policemen. Improvement in our men efficiency, what I could gauge is that 50% of efficiency is there in our men while handling the grievances issued from our police personnel. Again, the police personnel who are commuting to district police office to air their grievances has been 32,000 man hours we have saved in commuting to police office and airing their grievances. This is what objectively I put it as a usefulness of this application, sir. I will go through the live page, sir, how I will going to take the, I'll give the demo of that, how we will going to work on this, sir. This is the dashboard of district police office Samacharam, sir. So we have totally, it is on 762. I'll just go through it. So live dashboard I will take. Yeah, back. Where is that home page? So like this, we operate on this mode, sir. So we have a groups of police officers phone number. So we have all the police officers working under me. I have their phone numbers, so that I'll just take their phone numbers. And we from whom exactly we are sending from district police office Kurnool, and the language and the matter. Suppose somebody submit a medical bill. So your medical bill has been submitted, received, or something like that. We type here, sir. And we'll send it in the form of SMS. Sir, as soon as this SMS goes, we'll send a link also along with that SMS, sir. So we'll be keep on tracking his application, like leave application or increment application, through that link, sir. So we'll be keep on updating his application status in that link, sir. Suppose my constable comes to police station to submit, and his increment has not been added for the past 2 years. He submits his applications. Immediately he receives a SMS that your application is received. Suppose it goes to the next the concerned bench for this promotion matters. As soon as it is transferred to the next bench, you will receive another SMS in the form SMS and a link, so that your file has been transferred from DPO inward section to concerned promotion clerk. Again, if the concerned person or section officer he clears, then it will go to the superintendent of that concerned section. He will get a one more SMS. So that till his disposal of his file, will be keep on sending the SMS alert to the concerned police personnel till his file is disposed, so that he can keep track of the status of his file. So also we also get the updates regarding how many files are pending, how many are disposed, what kind of what kind of problems our men are facing in the field, whether it is related to salary or increment, or the leaves are not properly sanctioned in time or not. As a superintendent of police, I can keep a track of the what's happening on the DPO, district police officer. This is the one application we developed. It's a Samacharam, so like in the form of sending an electronic message and keeping a track of their grievances here in the district police officer. So that's all from my side. Thanks.
This is an excellent initiative you have taken. I think this will really improve the performance and the morale of the police staff, the way it has been done. What is the platform you have used?
So it's a web application, sir. Platform.
Okay. No, it's good. I think it's good. Yeah, I'll give you all the encouragement to promote it further. I think it should go to all the districts.
Sir.
Madan Mohan ji, aapka any input? है नहीं मदन मोहन जी अरे आई थिंक ही इज गॉन
He is not here, sir. Yes, sir.
अरे आप अपनी वो पोलिंग करा लो फिर सारे हो गए
हाँ जी yes.
This is a good job. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the appreciation.
Okay.
So polling will take some time, like for 1 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It has ended from another device, so I'll just log in and then I'll do it.
Okay.
Poll has been deactivated, so I request to Dr. Fakirappa and Mr. Anburajan to send me their marking. Send the scores in my Zoom chat so that I can update it, and it will take some time. So that is why we are already running out of time. So I request everyone, like Dr. Fakirappa and Mr. Anburajan, to send me the marking according to the project.
Okay, see you at 2 o'clock. Our mother one is there. I
कोई
think
बात नहीं सर.
नहीं हमने कर दिया अच्छा है. It's a good project.
ओके सर, थैंक यू. मेरी